Emergency, guys. There's an emergency from the title. As you guys see, I put emergency. We are going to be looking over these altcoins that we've been making major gains on. Have a lot of them absolutely exploding. They're being shilled in every which corner. We have them being shilled on Twitter. We have them being shilled on Reddit. We have them being shilled all over the internet. It's looking like BitBoy has gotten a hold of our coins and is just selling them to his fans. That's how good they're pumping right now. So let's get into the video. What do we want to start with? Okay, we're gonna start with Matic real quick. Matic is at $2.57. When is this gonna stop pumping, guys? It's gonna stop eventually. Okay, things don't go to the moon that quick, but we have been shilling this coin on this channel. Okay, so this is when people will shill you guys coins in these little white lines right here. I would say people start shilling their coins probably when Matic was 100% ago, but on this channel, this is where we shill coins. We shill them before the pump ups, right? We actually find these good coins, good fundamentals, good use case, and then we shill them to you guys early. Or we'll do trades that have some good potential, but we're not financial advisors. So just throwing that out there, right? I don't know if I legally have to say that, but so 51% in around 22 hours. That's looking good. I would really look on taking some profits, guys, on Matic. Not going to lie, there's going to be a retracement with this much of a pump. I do see Matic reaching around $10 by the end of this bull run, which could be around 3 to 6 months to maybe a year. I don't know, guys, but it's going to reach probably $10 to $15. They do have so much use case. Okay, we love this. We love this. All right, so we'd love to see our coins pumping. Emergency, guys. Emergency. Really make sure to take some profits. You guys could hold this long term if you want, but just move that stop loss up. You guys could have a stop loss 10% below the current price. I'd really recommend doing that, okay? Well, let's get into Bitcoin, okay? We went over that. Bitcoin dominance, guys, almost at 39, all right? We said on this channel, when this hits 39, we're going to throw a party because we already knew that once this reaches 39, we're going to be up a significant amount on a lot of altcoins. It's time to celebrate a little bit. Until then, we're going to keep on working. We're going to keep on trucking along, keep on working these 15-hour days, 18-hour days. I know a lot of you guys have been working a lot. I'd love to see it. Guys, Bitcoin's at 42K, and what do we see? We see our bags pumping. We see our trades pumping. Yeah, maybe not all of them because they need Bitcoin to be a little bit higher, but we're having so many trades, emergency, blowing up, right? Absolutely insane, guys. I'm just giving away banter bags, right? We're giving away these banter bags, so make sure to hit that like button. I want you guys to be emotionally connected to hit that like button. I had someone tell me that I got them emotionally connected to the like button. That was pretty funny. So if you guys could just hit the like button, I don't care if you do, I don't care if you don't. Make sure to subscribe. Turn on the bell thing. All right, so what do we see with Bitcoin? I hate saying that stuff. But what do we say with Bitcoin? Okay, bounced off of this 42,300 level, guys. It went all the way down to the 42,300 level. We're seeing this downwards momentum continue with Bitcoin. I said that there was going to be some downwards momentum. We weren't showing too much strength. We did have that pump up, but every time we're hitting this 46 level, we're seeing some pump downs with Bitcoin. It's just how it's going right now. We still haven't had that initial push up. We don't have enough momentum in Bitcoin right now to really exceed this. But you want to know what this is doing? This is making us pump our trades up. Thank you, Bitcoin, for moving sideways. And I want to say, guys, hopefully you guys are definitely feeling good. Okay, definitely feeling good right now because we got to have confidence. We have to have our stop losses. We have to have our plans ready in case there's a little drop in Bitcoin. Could happen, but at the same time, guys, I still see our alts pumping. I still see a lot of these taking off. Okay, we're gonna see that. Another one. Okay, another one. All right, so when did we acquire some one, guys? When have we been acquiring some one? Well, we've been acquiring them way back when, maybe before May. I made a few videos absolutely shilling you guys one, but this was a while ago. You guys would be up a significant amount. A lot of these coins that I shill, guys, I will shill you these bags, but it's for a good reason, okay? I'm not going to dump on your face. There's no way we're going to be doing that. I will be making possibly a shill video, but there's going to be a few other people shilling this coin, aka Crypto Banter. The Banter bags will be shilling this coin, and then we got BitBoy. We got BitBoy shilling this, possibly. So I'm going to get in a little bit ahead, share you guys a little banter bag. I'll throw you guys a little banter bag before banter bag tells you guys that this is going to be very big and before he dumps all of his allocations on you. We'll get in a little bit before. We'll set our stop losses. We'll take our profits. Going to be doing that video possibly today, so be ready for that. Harmony is pumping, guys. Harmony is pumping. I do see probably around a 50-cent Harmony Probably in the next week or so, if this hype does continue. Don't be too concerned with that. You guys got to be more concerned with securing these gains. Okay, even if you guys see Harmony go up 40%, 30%, guys, look at these retracements that we've had with Harmony. Okay, boom, 13% retracement. From here, we saw 25% retracement. Okay, what do you guys think we're going to see here? We're probably going to see another 20, 30, or 20 to 15% retracement with Harmony. Take your profits. We see this with all these coins. But look at the support that we're showing with Harmony, guys. It cannot break out of here, okay? We need to see it break out of this little resistance level right here. Guys, look at boom, hitting that, boom, hitting that, boom, hitting that. It's like it's trapped in a box, but once we see that break out, it will probably be pretty decent, but we could see a little retracement downwards. This is the same one that it was hitting back here yesterday. So we need to see that break out with Harmony, but guys, up a lot on Harmony. We've been buying them here. It's 16% here. Boom, boom. That's 20%. And then here, another 20%, just making some gains on them. I believe we probably said to buy them sometime before then. I can't keep track, but I have been trading them, so you guys probably have too. I share my trades, okay, guys? I share my trades. I really do. Shorting XVS, if you guys were in Discord, you probably were shorting them, right? What do we see? An absolute explosion, okay? An absolute explosion with them. We saw around a 80% increase from our buy zone, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Boom. All right, this is altcoin season, and you guys can short when something goes up this much if you have confidence, if you guys understand it. I'm not going to tell you guys to leverage trade at all. You can make just as much money or just as much knowledge. It's not about the knowledge, or it's not about the money, it's about the knowledge. Yeah, I'm getting you guys prepared for this bear market. I promise this bear market, we're going to thrive. We're going to eat during this bear market while other people are starving, okay? These BitBoy fans, they're going to be starving during this bear market. We're going to be taking all their food, and we're going to be eating it, okay? We can't, you know... We got to do it. BitBoy's gonna starve. We're gonna get him skinny during this bear market. Okay, we're gonna thin him down by taking all of his gains. So what do we see with Sushi? Yeah, it's sell some of that, guys. Come on, what are you doing? Sell some of that. Especially put that 10% stop loss up. I get if you guys weren't looking at the charts too much. You guys got to be able to take some of those profits for sure when something goes up 60%. It's just the smart thing to do. I really preach it. I'm gonna say it over and over and over. It's just the smart thing to do. Well, look at this Sushi breakout. We had this dip here. We had this dip here. We had this triple dip right here, guys. Right? Triple dipping on Sushi, and this was all throughout these dips. We've caught Sushi plenty of times. It's very, very predictable. But you want to know what happened? Finally, we got that breakout we were looking for, right? 50% on Sushi in a day and 17 hours at one point. Took a little bit of a retracement. Want to know why? Because that's what happens when things pump up. We see these retracements. Probably going to see another retracement at this 22 level. Let me scroll out, show you guys about the Sushi trade. All right, so look at this level right here. We had a large dip off this 22 level. I'd look to take some profits around that 22 level, make that a little sell point, just in case there is a correction, or maybe just move that stop loss up. I don't know, whatever you guys are feeling, you guys are still in profit. It's just very, very important for you guys to hold these profits and to make these profits. Okay, so that's the main concern. You guys can hold to you diamond hands, but diamond hands, guys, it's not the thing in crypto. Okay, you'll hear diamond hands. Okay, those are the people that we make money off on this channel. Okay, these diamond hand people are the people that give up the most gains. But if you guys aren't able to do this all day, still diamond hand, but set your stop loss. Make sure that you're in profits when you when that dip happens. Okay, that's something that you need to understand. You guys could be holding long term. You guys could be diamond hands in it up, but really make sure to set a stop loss. I want the best for you guys. I really do. Okay, I want the best for you guys. So Engine as well, or INJ, huge breakout here, huge breakout. It was up a lot more, sold off a little bit, but that was around 20 to 30%. Did sell off a little bit. People were taking profits. People were putting their stop losses on. That's what you see here. So guys, just look at this green. Look at this green, guys. We even had Solana popped off a little bit. We had, I'll go into the Sol graph. All right, so Solana popped off a little bit, guys. Boom, hit that level. All my Solana's gone. I'm going to wait for another entry point for Solana. I do see it maybe going to the 64 to 65, but I do see some little retracements happening with Solana. I do see Solana continuing to pump. It's just a very undervalued ecosystem. We saw Polkadot pump up, but we saw, ADA pumped up, guys. ADA wine, we saw ADA pump up. We're going to see Solana definitely be a little bit pump up-ish for the ecosystem side of things, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Telcoin, guys. Telcoin had a little nice pump today. We bought them here on this dip. We bought them here on this dip. We made a lot of gains from this dip right here. We made around 40 to 50% in a day, and I do see us making around that. Again, we made around 30%. Then we had a little retracement. It's going to bounce back up eventually when we have things more bullish. It's just very nice, guys. It feels good to be in some gains. I don't care if you guys aren't making gains, okay? You guys could at least learn. Take profits, take profits, take profits. There's dips. There's swirls, and at the end of the game, you guys need to be ready for them. You guys need to be ready for them, or else you guys are not going to make as much profit. But if you guys don't care about that, you guys are just holding long term. Okay, well, make sure to set your stop loss. I'm telling you this right now. Things do dip in crypto. I know you guys might not hear that. It's a scary word. Things dip, right? But I've been screaming the word stop loss ever since my YouTube channel was created, and I really want you guys to understand. I really want you guys to understand that that's the key to crypto that people do not share. Guys, look at, we broke through this fib level around 1.6. What's a fib level? All right, we're probably going to be breaking out of this and heading towards this resistance right here. Don't worry what a fib level is. If you guys want to research into it, you can. Fibonacci. This is a little. Let me take this stuff off. It's a lot easier if you guys learn slower. We will get into more complex TA, but for right now, for the next couple weeks, I'm just going to be going over the basics so you guys can learn if you want to without me speeding up ahead too long. I do have a trading book, 188 pages for free, better than any of those paid for shiller trading books out there. Don't fall for the, oh, you need to pay money to become a good trader. Guys, well, stay away from the banter bags, okay, guys? The banter bags are here. You guys smash that like button. Banter bags are here, okay? That's all you need to know. So what do we see here? We see hardworking people in this community. That's what we see here, guys. All of you guys, I appreciate the hard work. I want to let you guys know I really do. I love to see it. I love to see it. And guys, hard work does pay off. I'm telling you that right now. Hard work does pay off. Anchor had a little push today, but we are testing that fib level right here. We bounced off of it, couldn't stay really above it. Still around a 24% pump, a little 3 or 5% retracement. We're going to see that probably break out here soon. I will be getting to some of those other trades that haven't pumped yet, guys. These trades haven't pumped yet because they rely on the Bitcoin. Okay, they rely on the Bitcoin. Most of these trades that I will be doing, they rely on the Bitcoin, guys. And these are just the ones that will pump. Sometimes on their own due to news or due to technical analysis. But Matic, guys, Matic's absolute beast. I can't believe what that thing's accomplishing. It's being shilled to every which corner. Okay, every which corner. All right, so let's go into some more. I will be going into, we'll look at XRP, see a lot of XRPers in the chats. I told you guys to sell around this level. That has been a good sell point. We have a hard resistance up there. It's going to be very hard for us to break this resistance level right here. We haven't even had too much consolidation, too much. Like, you guys don't see the price for XRP. If we saw the price in the XRP going like this in this level, yeah, I would have ability to stay above there. But when we see these quick pump ups with XRP, you guys are going to see a pump down, right? When you guys see those quick pump ups, you guys are going to see the quick pump downs. So let's go into I see a lot of RLCs in here. All right, so RLC down 2%, guys, but look at this. We caught them 2 other times. 148% there. I believe another 60% here, and wait for them to hit this level around $7 to around $6.49. You guys could even put a buy order around $6.5 when things start looking more bullish for Bitcoin. Set your stop loss 10% below. Don't be a doofus, okay? Don't get caught in the loss. Sometimes these dips do happen, and they could be a little bit worse. Just saying that, just so you guys stay safe, just so I can have all of you guys stay safe. I don't want to see anyone getting hurt. But yeah, I don't see that large dip happening, but I do see around a 40 to 50 to 60% gain coming for RLC RLC in the next week or so. All right, so let's get into a few of these other ones. All right, you want me to go into DOT? All right, we'll get into DOT. First of all, let's get into this market. Let me refresh this market. Sorry guys, we gotta look at things. I am George. We're all George. Let's look at coin market cap for 45 minutes. We love you, George. If you're watching this, George, we're all George. So yeah, guys, you guys got to go show some love to George. He's an absolute saint. Cryptos are us. Absolute saint. I would let him babysit the kids. Great guy. Seriously. He's safe. Okay, he's safe, guys. So we have Polkadot here. Polkadot is an amazing shield project, but we will still see this run up. They're bound to run up, in my opinion. I do see that still happening, but we'll talk about them later. Litecoin had a little pump up today, but it came back down super quick. Chainlink, Chainlink breakout was bound to happen. A lot of integrations between Chainlink. This will continue to rise. Solana and Manic, two of our favorite trades that we've really had during this bear market. Very good. Bear couple days, I guess you could say bear week. And bear 2 months, whatever we had. AV was good. A lot of these are still in the red, guys. A lot of these are still in the red, and you guys got to watch out. Okay, you guys got to watch out. Set your stop losses so you guys can get some of these trades that do turn green. We talk about green trades on this channel quite often. You know, so once in a while you do have a bad trade, but you guys want to know what those good ones make up for it. Those good ones make up for it. Good buys only on this channel. Yes, we have 1 or 2 bad trades, but that's how every trader works. I guarantee you we have the highest trading percentage, probably even on Twitter. You guys can go on Twitter. I bet our trading percentage is higher here. Yeah, guys, you guys are very, very blessed, and let's make this money, make this community a lot better. All right, so SNX pumped down a little bit. Sushi is still pumping. Basically, great thing to see. I know you guys can scroll down this and see the whole market, so I get it. Okay, XVS pumping. So we'll get off of there. I know you guys can do that yourselves, so you guys are like, get off. What are you doing? I wouldn't want to watch that, guys. I wouldn't want to watch that, to be completely honest. So I know some of you guys would, but all right. Go to George, guys. Seriously, we love George. So I'm going to be going on the 1 hour time frame for Verge. You see a nice 40 to 50% easily gain for Verge. Be careful. We could dip to this 3.5 zone. From here to the 3.5 zone, that's around a 20% dip. If you guys set your stop loss around 10%, I do see this as the bottom if it does dip there. Just make sure that you guys really understand that. So one buy right here at 4.2, one buy here at 3.9, and if it does hit here, your stop loss will be initiated, and you guys can get another buying opportunity there. But what do we see? We see a 49%, or we see a 52% drop from all-time highs, right? And then we see this big old run-up, this 125% run-up right here around the same level. What do we see before that? We see a 50% drop. And then what do we see from here? This dip that we had here, another 100% run up. How much was this dip right here, guys? What was this? This was a 49% dip, so we might be 3% away from those other dips. But I do see maybe a 80 or 90 or 100% run up, but I would aim for around 50 to 60. Move that stop loss up, gentlemen. Okay. So what else? Cardano. Let's go drink some Cardano up. All right. Cardano. I've been shorting Cardano all day, guys. I've been shorting Cardano all day ever since it hit those all-time highs right around 230. I'm sorry I didn't tell you guys. I didn't want to get any hate, but now that it's panned out, I can say it proudly. Because you can never really predict Cardano, but look at that drop that we've had. We've had 17% drop from all-time highs, a little bit too undervalued or overvalued Cardano. A lot of people were leverage trading Cardano. This is what happens with Cardano. It's very easy to have a lot of people leverage trade them. Don't do it yourself unless you guys really are experienced and you guys really are going to be getting into it. I will probably be sharing a few trades, but like, guys, be careful. You guys need to really learn. I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to have the best edge on these investors. If you guys learn, you guys don't need to pay for anything from me, okay? You guys just need to pay with your work ethic, okay? You guys can buy all the trading indicators, all whatever you want. But if you guys sit there, you learn, you get educated, that's the thing that you guys need to pay for. You guys need to pay for your own motivation. That's the only thing that's going to make you guys successful is yourself, is your motivation, your work ethic, and your education. Nothing else will. Don't believe into that, guys. Don't believe into that, okay? So what do I see with Cardano? We're just bouncing up and down this level. We'll probably have a little breakout to the 225 zone and then just another retracement down. But guys, down 20%. What do we see from these all-time highs, guys? What do we see with Cardano? Around 12%, right? Around 12% drop there. What do we see from this one? Around a 30% drop in 9 days. We could see that happen again. I do see 20% still as a lot, guys. Still as a lot. But I see maybe in the next 9 days we'll see a 25 to 30% just because it was really overvalued when they did that. I mean, the wine was amazing, guys. The wine was amazing. But 30% drop could incur, but maybe a breakout. We just really have to push this resistance level. Really have to push it. So I would say if you guys are going to be buying or staking Cardano or whatever you guys want to do with your Cardano, I would recommend 190 to I would say 187 zone to buy would be good for Cardano. But there's a lot of other money to be made. We see Dent as well. Dent's at a great buying opportunity right now. Be careful though, because we could buy Dent around 0.0056. Don't FOMO in. Don't ape in, please. Don't ape in, please. Buy in chunks, guys. Buy in chunks at 0.0053. Looking like some juicy gains that are going to incur. We need Bitcoin to pump. Guys, look at this pump that we saw. 230%. We saw another 100%. I do see this one being around at least 50 to 60%. Take your profits early, okay? Don't go for that 100%. I'm just showing you guys that, okay? That doesn't mean, ooh, 100%, right? Okay, not doing that. Bitcoin Cash. We'll go over Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is pretty much a little derivative of Bitcoin, but it's not too important. Let's get into some Bitcoin Cash, I guess. All right, that's not Bitcoin Cash. That's Bitcoin. All right, here's Bitcoin Cash, guys. Bitcoin Cash is at these little all-time lows. Probably wouldn't be the worst trade. We've had a 35% drop from all-time highs in Bitcoin in 7 days. When it went down around 30, at one point around 38%, guys. Around 38% drop in that. That's not good, right? What did we see here? Around the same sort of drop, right? We saw 42% here, so we expect a little bit more of a dip. But what did we see after this? We saw a slow recovery upwards, yes. In 9 days, 40% is slow in crypto. Apparently, when we're in this bull run, it is, guys. And then we saw this huge spike up to 100% in this 11 to 12 day period. We could see the same thing pan out where we have this little retracement and then it kind of heats up a little bit and then that breakout. I could see that incurring. We saw that happen right over here. A little breakdown. Boom, 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 boom. How much was this one? Let's go check this out. Bitcoin Cash is all hype, guys. Bitcoin Cash is all hype. And you got to follow the volume. Look at the volume when we ran up. Look at this large stick right here. Boom, right? Matic, when to buy? Don't buy in the green, guys. Don't buy in the green. I know I said it could hit $10 to $15, but there's going to be better buys to make than Matic right now. I can guarantee you that. Do not buy when you guys see these green run-ups. Always wait for the red, okay? You guys should be asking when do I sell? Okay, when do I sell or when do I buy in on the red day, okay? Yeah. I mean, that's just something I want to tell you guys that Matic, a very, very nice run up though. I might have shilled this one to you guys 10x ago by now. Very nice, guys. There's another 10x. Add it to the list. Been doing YouTube for around almost 2 months now, guys, and we're almost at 4 or 5 probably plus 10x's at least. I know, guys. Just wait till the bear market. Wait till the bear market. We're really going to be benefiting during the bear market. I'll tell you that right now. Bear markets are going to scare a lot of these people away. All right, so what do we see? APY, boom, sell off. Look, guys, look at that. Boom, sell off. Died down. It is at all-time lows, though. That's a great looking graph. It's always good to buy before the run-up, right? Or buy after the sell-off. These are the times you guys want to be buying. Right here and right here when it's accumulating, right? Before the takeoff. I know you guys are like, when is it doing that? If you guys see a rundown like this, great time to buy. I'll look into this. I don't feel like all these APY finances are going to be able to do good things, okay? Connects with leading DeFi protocols, yield farming. Not the biggest yield farming fan at all, guys. Yes, the yield farming things can get hyped up, but at the same time, these yield farming things will be gone during the bear market, okay? When these things go down 60, 70%, the market goes down 50, 60%, stays down there. Yield farming's gonna be like, how do I get APY? How do I get APY? They're going to be asking for loans from Tether. Tether's going to be printing them tokens. It's going to be a whole mess. This yield farming didn't just come out until the bear market. We didn't really see that yield farming APY type of thing come out until the bear market or until this bull market. Yes, we saw it sometimes, but it wasn't very known. Link breaking out. We'll go through Chainlink. Chainlink had a little bit of a breakout today. We're just relying on good old Bitcoin to pump our coins up some more. We do love a little Bitcoin pumpage though. When did I tell you guys to buy this? 36, 35. Look at this, guys. Perfect. Boom, boom, boom. What do we see right here? Exactly as predicted. 20% from there. Also right here. We saw a 11% right there. We need to have it break through this resistance, and then we're going to be going to 43. Probably having a little bit of a consolidation in 43, and then making it up to 46. Maybe a little breakdown, then maybe up to this 47 to 50 area. Yeah, Chainlink's a great buy. Chainlink's a great buy. Not now. Obviously not now. Don't buy on the green, guys. Don't buy on the green. Buy on these red days. Watch my all-night live stream. Stay up with me. Please, it'll be fun. I promise. It'll be fun. It won't be fun, but it'll be beneficial. We'll try and make it fun. I'm going to try and bring only like one person on this show I don't want to bring too many people on this this isn't a show, okay? This educational platform. You know, shows make money off you guys. They really do. Shows make a lot of money off you guys. This isn't an educational platform, to be completely honest. All right, what else? Let's go over Ethereum. We did do a little Ethereum. No, we didn't do any Ethereum coverage. Ethereum. We saw Ethereum get absolutely smacked every time Bitcoin gets smacked, and it gets pumped every time Bitcoin's pumped. So what do you think happened to Bitcoin today? We probably had a little run up with Bitcoin, a little sell off with Ethereum, a little run up with Bitcoin, a little sell off with Ethereum. Just doing the same thing that Bitcoin is, but it's doing it to the 1.5x factor. Not doing too much more than Bitcoin, but it is doing a little bit more. But when it goes down more, yeah, it's catching up though. It's catching up. Forget what I said. It's catching up to what Bitcoin's doing, but it will run up more. Okay. It'll run up more than Bitcoin, and it won't go down as far as Bitcoin is. It's been breaking out of that trend. But I do see around a 25 to a probably around a 25% increase in Ethereum the next week or so. I can't say that that's suicide. That's shooting myself in the foot if I do say that, just because we don't know yet. We don't know yet. But guys, Matic, what the heck, guys? Is it gonna stop? You guys buying these green candles? Are you guys watching me aping in right now? You guys aping in right now? Some of you guys are aping into Matic right now. I know it. Bad. Come on. All right. What else? XLM BNB. Okay, we'll go into XLM. Stellar really should be at 90 cents right now. It really should be at 90 cents, guys. It doesn't. Why is it down 0.7% today? We've been buying Stellar up on this dip. We've been buying them all over this other dip as well on the 22nd. So let's see how much we're up right now. If we held that around 100%, around 67%. But if you guys bought them around this level, we didn't get any right here. I don't believe so. I didn't at least. But we saw this 40% run up. Now we're only up 15%. This should break out of this 7.9 box. Okay, this should break out of the 7.9 box right here, 7.9 to 6.3 or to 6.4. It needs to break out of here, but I do see that happening, guys. Stellar just is too good fundamentally not to break out. It has a little bit of press coverage right now, so I do see probably around a 38% run up. Take some profits at 88 cents or 87.4482 cents. I'm just giving you guys a random number. Don't try and sell at that price where it's perfect. You know, you guys got to sell a little bit before. Don't be that guy. All right, so we went over, what else did you say? You said, yeah, EOS? Was it EOS? Okay, no, it was Binance, and I'll go over EOS. All right, BNB, here we go. So what do we see with BNB? 508 BNB, not the best one. We had a little bad trade on BNB, didn't blow up, but it's okay, guys. I don't really like trading BNB anyways. It's kind of a slow moving one. We have a 17-day 50% run up. I am looking for more explosive altcoins than this. And BNB is a very, very slow mover. It is on this downtrend. We probably might see this 457 level with another dip. But guys, BNB, it's definitely a slow mover, but it's something if you guys want to hold during this bull market, it'll probably be around 1,000 to 2,000, 3,000 at least. Maybe we'll have to see how long this lasts. 3 to 6 months from now, if we're still having this bull market, it'll be 4,000 for sure. But that's a long-term prediction. That's just me shooting myself in the foot. What else? Hot. Okay, I'll go for hollow chain. I've already went through a lot of these ones that you guys are saying, so we'll need to figure out a system where I can have it so if you guys say something in the chat, it tells the time where I said it. So we have this downtrend right here with hot. It is looking like it's probably going to need to break out now or never. We might see this dip down to this 9.1 level, and I do see some sort of buy level incurring at this at the level it is right now. Every time we've been around this level, we saw some nice gains. We did have a buy here. We still made some gains on this. What was that? 20%, so minus 10. That's 23% that we made there, or 13%. Still some gains if you move up that stop loss. If you don't move up that stop loss, right? Oh no, you're down a lot, right? But yeah, so we could come down here, which is 20% down or 9% down. But I do see us probably going up around 40 to 50%. Might take around a week or so, if not maybe a little bit longer. But yeah, bullish on hot. Just we need to see some more price action, some more volatility. Low volume sticks. Look at these sticks, very low, very low. Matic is going to $3, guys. Matic is going to $3. Oh yeah. Trying to get some hype, okay? Matic. We'll go stare at the Matic. We'll go get the dopamine in the system real quick. Not going to $3, guys. Look at it. It's not at $3 yet. We do have some selling pressure. Expect some shorts right here. People are going to be shorting Matic when it pumps up this much, but I'm not shorting Matic myself. I don't want to go through. I don't want to short them again, but I was earlier, but I don't trust it now. After we see this other breakout, people are buying up Matic, guys. People are buying them up. There's some absolute ape gorillas buying up Matic, guys. Absolute ape gorillas. Some people who only watch BitBoy Crypto are definitely buying this up. You guys got to watch out if you're going to be shorting this, but we might see it push this level right here, maybe 2.8 or 2.9. I do see $3 as a heavy sell level. All right, we'll go over VeChain. VeChain, terrible fundamentally, but we'll go over them because they pump. You guys are like, what do you mean VeChain's amazing fundamentally? Okay. You guys gotta do your research. I will clown on these coins when the time comes, guys. When the time comes to clown on fundamentals, when you guys care enough about fundamentals, it will come time. Alright, but I need to be nice. I need to get you guys gains. We need to stop talking about fundamentals too much. But yes, what do we see with VeChain? A little breakout. It's going to break out probably 30-40%. We'll have to see. I would just set your stop loss on that because some hype could be dying down on VeChain, but I don't see so. I don't see it. They are having some nice buying pressure, though. You guys see these wicks downwards buying. There's people buying right here, pushing these candlesticks up. When you guys see the wicks downwards, people are pushing them up. So we could see a little breakout in curve with VeChain if things do look bullish. Maybe we'll have a 5-10% breakout, but VeChain's kind of a little bit of a slow mover at times, except for these dips. These dips were really nice on VeChain. Matic, guys, if you put the rocket ship after, it does make things easier, right? We already went over XRP. XRP is probably going to break out to the 6.9 to the 170 level and then sell off again. Yeah, I told you to buy VeChain the other day, Matt. Yeah, for some quick games, it's a trade, dude. There still could be some price action, but that's why you don't just do one trade, man. You guys want to hold them long term, go ahead. But the fundamentals are not there, but the hype is there. There's a Matt. Listen up, okay? So this goes to anyone. We don't have good fundamentals in crypto right now. You guys have to understand that these companies don't make revenue. These companies aren't profitable, and they're overvalued to the exponential value of probably 50x. But that's going to continue. This is what this bull run's all about. It's about finding the hype, finding those projects that are extremely overvalued, but extremely shilled, extremely hyped. A lot of them do have not too much use case, but that's a time for another talk, okay? But hopefully you enjoyed that little lesson. I'm sorry if I'm promoting stuff with bad fundamentals. I really try and look at technical analysis to get you guys the most gains and to get myself some nice gains as well. But let's get into NEO. I heard someone say NEO. NEO has been breaking out of these dips. We saw one right here on the 25th, around 33%. We saw one here on May 3rd, hit all-time highs around 44%. I do see one, well, this is when it kind of got a little coverage, but I do see another little run up, probably 30% as of right now because it is a little slow moving, maybe 20 to 30% on NEO. That's just short term. What else? Okay, we'll go over. You guys want to look at Matic? We've already looked at Matic multiple times, guys. I'm okay with looking at it. It makes me feel good. It's dopamine, guys. Dopamine. Not much. I'm going to be doing another stream later, and then I'm going to be doing another stream after that. I'm going to do like a video thing, so make sure to stay tuned to that. Maybe get some B Pro or something like that. All right, so Matic's breaking out again, guys. Matic's breaking all-time highs. Probably going to have a little retracement off this all-time high right here. We'll have to see how that pans out. That's a great thing to see, guys. That's a great thing to see. All right, right there. Boom. All right, what else? Talk about Luna. Okay, we'll talk about Luna. Over Luna. I know you guys are getting dopamine in the chat. Those people that were buying Luna or buying Matic when I was talking about how it was going to be the next Ethereum. It's like buying Ethereum at $200 or $400. You guys remember that? You guys remember that? Right here, buying Matic at 1 cent's like buying Ethereum at $1. Luna's just been on this retracement downwards. It just doesn't have enough volume, guys. It doesn't have enough volume. We're down 31% from all-time highs. This is why you guys don't buy at all-time highs. Don't be an ape. Don't be a moron. Don't be a moron. Just don't be uneducated, guys. I am giving you guys the education of buy on the red days. Don't buy on the green days. As much as you guys love Matic at all-time highs, we could easily just have something like this happen, right? But then you guys buy right there. But what do we see from up here? Yeah, we saw this pump. We did buy some down there and we made some gains, but not too much price action right now. It needs to recover. It needs to pump up. I do see a pump coming with Luna, but it's just it needs to happen sooner or later. They are up 2%. I do expect them possibly to pump up because we saw this pump right here on the 22nd dip. So possibly, but I do love Luna. I do love their fundamentals, but yet again, Luna's fundamentals do not reflect on their price. Their fundamentals reflect on $100 Luna at least. But you know, that's the way crypto goes. Cody. Okay, let's go. I like these different ones. I keep on seeing the same ones that we went over in this video. If you guys could give me some new ones, that'd be mucho appreciated. If you guys missed my ones, you guys could try and rewind. I've talked about all of these that you see here, basically all of them. So what do we see here with Cody? We wanted to buy some Cody around these levels down here. I believe we could have had a buy order get hits at 36.20. I don't have one myself. I wouldn't have told you guys to do that. So 348999 to these levels right here. I'm trying to buy Cody. I'm trying to scalp them for a pretty low price, to be completely honest. I'm getting a little bit too doubtful on Cody. I just thought they were going to be able to dip a little bit more. But you guys see this buying and selling right here. Look at these candles. Boom, boom, boom. A lot of buying and selling pressure, but it is holding steady. Probably going to be doing this for a little bit longer until Bitcoin and Ethereum show their true colors, and then it will pump out or go down, right? That's not that much of a dip from here, guys. That's really only around a 10% dip Cody has to hit for us to get a lot of these good buys in. Oh, EOS. All right, let's go into EOS. EOS is premium up to have a little breakout, but wait, be patient. Buy around these levels, 1, 2, 3. Yes, these buy zones are like 50% in between each other. Yes, 30% in between each other, but be careful. Wait for these breakdowns because we have had large run-ups from these levels with EOS. I do see them breaking out. Good fundamentals, decent hype. Hype isn't there yet, but we're trying to get in there before the hype, make 30-40% and then dip, then sell. All right, not the biggest fan on Theta. We'll get into them, okay? Theta. I mean, from an analytical standpoint, I don't like them. I don't like them from their TA. Okay, we don't like Theta on TA. But you want to know what we don't like? Also, we don't like their fundamentals. A lot of people think Theta is going to be huge in the future. We'll have to see to that. They're going to have a lot of competition, and they don't have too much use case that's making revenue. These are one of these things that you guys will see go down a lot during the bear market. But I'm just saying, there's still gains to be made on them. Not too many, but there are. You guys see they're 71% from all-time highs. They probably had some highs right here, guys. Look at back in March when NFTs were booming, guys. Look at this. We had a 390% run up in 33 days. Not bad. But now we're on this little downtrend, guys. We've been on this downtrend all the way since April 16th. Okay, we've been on this downtrend, guys. We've been on this downtrend. We thought we were going to see the breakout. We didn't see it, but we still got some gains from that. No worries. We've been on this little downtrend right here. Not looking too good for Theta. It looks like that they could break down if Bitcoin does get a little bit bearish. We've already seen this buying action though right here. I mean, it's not moving too much, but maybe $15, $20 long term. If you were putting 30K today to hold in the bull run, what would you expect for the biggest returns in one spot? Bill Clinton's probably. No, I'm not. Should I say it, guys? B Pro. Should I say it? Should I say it, guys? All right, small allocations. Okay, put some money into B Pro, but not that much. Okay, I will be doing a video on them. They are at all-time lows. If you guys go like this from all-time highs. Let's go, let's see, they're down 76%, right? They're a little bit more than that. Okay, don't you dare put your whole ape into it, okay? I'm not a financial advisor, but there might be someone who drives a Scamborghini, drives a scam cat. His name rhymes with BitBoy, Shillboy. He is going to be partnering with B Pro. There's a possibility. He might not partner with them just because I'm going to talk about them, and some people might buy in before he is fully done accumulating, and he might not be able to dump that much on the faces. Okay, so what else do we see with B Pro? So down 76%. I'll talk about them later, okay, guys? Just wait for the video. Don't follow my every which lead, please, guys. Please, please, please. I don't want to ruin anyone's days, but I do like B Pro. You just asked me what to buy with 30K, and I just showed you this. So no, I'm a terrible person. Okay, sorry. No, I was kidding, guys. I was kidding, guys. But what else? What else would I buy? You wouldn't buy on a green day like this, man. Seriously, you wouldn't buy on a green day like this. Wait for the red, and B Pro does have a lot of selling activity, so be careful when buying into them, guys. If you are, they have a lot of selling activity. Prices really need to push. They need a lot of money to get funneled in. Crypto Banter is also going to be shilling them very soon. I mean, that's just what the word is. So probably going to see a little pump with them. I don't know. Maybe we'll see. Just wait for a video. I'll talk about them later today. But we see one still pushing. What else, guys? Oh, seller. Yes, I forgot about seller. There was a few others. Let me go over some more. Okay, we'll get in the seller. Let's go into this page too. I did get seller. I've been shilling you guys seller as well. I've shilled it a couple times. I know I have because I do love seller. Seller was up like 40% today. ERG as well, guys. I don't talk about ERG. I would just sell off a lot. But guys, look at this. Look at this movement. 7 days. All the way from $4, guys. $4, May 13th, all the way to $18. Okay, is this when you guys buy? No. Okay, no. But they are going to be something big. But wait for a sell-off. I'll talk about them more when that sell-off does happen. I'm just showing you guys, don't buy at the tops. Okay, don't look at that and buy at the tops. Up 44% on seller. Did we have a trade on seller? I know I trade them a lot. I see if I have seller on here. Oh, I do. We must have bought them on this. I wouldn't talk about this if we didn't. When was this? May 13th. Oh, that's a nice 75% trade. Guys, this is like, I will put my trades on this computer if I'm actually doing them. I'm not going to show you guys a trade that I'm not doing, okay? I can promise you that. So, with that being said, guys, I definitely have talked about them. I know I have that. I don't talk about stuff too much unless it's very risky, and seller is not risky at all. You do see that pushing. That's not anywhere near. We're probably going to see a little run up to around the 73 level. We saw the same sort of volatility April 22nd. Yeah, I definitely showed this one. We did buy them on that for sure. When was this edited? Yes, I did buy them. Let me check. I just want to make. All right, there we go. Couldn't find it. Whatever. He didn't answer lol where? Wait, you didn't answer lol where? What do you mean lol where? What did I not answer, man? What did I not answer? Is ETC a good buy? Good buy now? No, I would rather buy other things. Good ETC is a good hold throughout this bull market. If you're gonna be into holding things long term. We already made significant amounts on ETC, but I do see ETC pulling up once that bull run hopium starts to get into play. But ETC will be a big mineable coin. If you guys see what's it called, Ravencoin pumping, ETC is going to be a lot larger than Ravencoin. I can tell you that already. It already is, but the hype around it's going to be very big. We saw a 50% decrease from the all-time high, so this would be a good time to start accumulating, to be completely honest. A 50% drop is quite significant. What do we see here? How much was this? We saw around a 40% drop, and then people started accumulating more, and then that flipped up to there, right? You want to make sure to buy, guys. You guys want to buy when we're on the all-time lows. You guys don't buy here. A lot of you guys are buying up here on ETC. When did we buy ETC on this channel? Okay, when did we first buy ETC on this channel? We bought in this range right here. Okay, we bought in this range, guys. We bought in this range. We don't buy up here, guys. We don't buy up there, all right? Big money pouring into Link. Yeah, I mean, Link's the future of DeFi, but big money was into Link earlier than that. So it's big money, but it's not smart money. Smart money was into Link when it was around like $1 or even before $1. Yeah, Link's breaking out. Nice. Finally, it broke this resistance. This is the resistance we were talking about. It's probably going to need to break this 44 to 46. All right, guys, we're in profit. We're making money. So I just want to give your guys a pat on the back. If not, try and take some notes. Study. All of you guys should be studying, taking notes. You guys can do the same research. You guys can really understand what I'm talking about. Hopefully you guys do. Hopefully I'm not too complicated. I'm going to be bringing people to help learn. I'm gonna get someone that's completely new to crypto, and I'm gonna have him on the show. And I'm just gonna be going about my show. And if he has any questions that a newcomer would have, he's gonna start doing it. So that'll help you guys not have to donate your money and really ask all these questions over and over and over, or ask the same questions. So Anchor's still pumping. What else? Saya coin. Okay, let's go Saya coin. Joseph, where to put 45k? So there's a thing called the banter bag. Okay, the banter bags, 45k is where you're going to put the banter bag. Okay. Just if you guys want to put the 45k into the best investment possible, you guys should look into donating. Okay, donating it to India, or donating it to somewhere like that. That's the best place that you can put that 45k. From just that perspective. Okay, I'll tell you after this. Okay, I'll tell you after this. Be careful with BPro. Okay, we'll talk about it. I don't know as much as someone that I'm going to talk about with, so I don't want to tell you guys to totally FOMO into it, just in case something does incur with the selling pressure. It's the only thing that I'm concerned about. So we had a 59% drop from Sidecoin, okay? What have we seen when we've had drops with Sidecoin? So we saw this 29% drop, and it pumped up probably 29%, right? Around 30-40% from there. Yeah, it pumps up after drops. We've seen that happen multiple times. We're just on this drop still. It's still got time to pump up, right? Biggest drop that we've had, 41%. You see we saw this big one. Well, how much was this big one? Big one was 50%. That's why we have buying levels underneath here, by the way. So we're seeing how big this drop was, how much this run up was, and we're comparing it to this one, right? We're comparing all these sell-offs and these drops and these dips, and comparing how much did it go down, how much did it pump up, at what levels did it pump up, and then boom, great thing to do trading with, right? All right, so what does this guy want to put all of his money into? What are we gonna make this ape FOMO into? No, I'm kidding. Right now, I would wait. I would honestly wait. And what are we waiting for? Okay, we're waiting for signals. We're waiting for signals. Right now, we're collecting. Okay, we're collecting. And Bitcoin's still at 43.5, guys. And look at this BTC dominance. Okay, whoa. Guys, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there to the 39 level. What are we seeing? Okay, we see green. Okay, when we see green, we sell. When we see red, we buy. Sell, right? Red. Or I mean, sell green, buy red. Yes, you can short red, or yeah, you can short red, long green too, but we're not going to be talking about that until you guys really become more. You guys need to get into that by yourselves. I'm going to teach you guys the basics. If you guys want to go into the more advanced longing and shorting, you guys can learn that on your own. I will probably be helping sometime, just not now. All right, so what else? So sushi dips at 22. We've seen that happen multiple times. A lot of these things are at all-time highs, guys. Don't buy. Wait to buy. Buy some things that are super red today, if you do have faith in them. But I'm waiting, okay? I want the newcomer job. Dead serious. I'm good for that job. Jack Sprat. I'm just going to be picking people from Telegram or Discord randomly, maybe. I'll need to see how that happens, because that could get really, really toxic. I mean, I could just use the chat, too, or something like that. I don't know. Maybe. I just feel like that'd be more community involved. That'd be more fun. So Polygon, Harmony, Sushi. All three of these. Yesterday, guys. All three of these yesterday. SNX. I missed SNX, guys. I'm completely sorry about that. I apologize. We got into Helium too, guys. I missed that. But we got AAVE, Anchor. Don't have UMA. Don't have YFI. We have Chainlink. We have Telcoin. We have Solana. We have XVS. I did say something about Tezos. Let's go to the Tezos graph. Tezos. Oh, we did buy some Tezos down here, guys. I forgot about that. Knew I said something. Did it hit 20% today? Nice breakout. We're probably going to see the same breakout that we saw here on the 22nd, guys. Look at this. Boom, 91%. Boom, 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 91%. Probably aim for 30-40%. Don't be risky. Move that stop loss up, guys. Be pro all-ins. No, stop. Don't go all in, please. Smash the like button and subscribe, okay? The most profitable crypto channel, all right? Once you guys smash that like button and hit that subscribe button, you guys have to shill, okay? You guys have to shill my channel. I will give you guys gains, but in return, just shill my channel. It will make this, it'll make this better, okay? Because what this channel is going to do, guys, we're going to figure out, okay? We're going to figure out how we can get into these projects before these other big people do. And when we find these good projects, you guys are going to see the banter bags. You're going to see the BitBoy, like they have been doing. Talk about these projects and then shill our bags, okay? And shill our bags. It'll be great. The bigger we get, the more they're going to shill our bags. They're going to try and get in early. They're going to think they're in early, and we're going to be in them before. It'll be fun. We've already been doing it. Okay, Reef. Okay, we'll go over Reef. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. What a great day. For anyone that's not, shorting the market, not a good day. Shorting these alts, a few of them. There's good times to short when they pump up like that, but gotta stop talking about leverage trading. I can't. All right, so this is where, what is this? Where did I put this level here? This is where people sell in Reef. Okay. I know we've bought in Reef in the past. I know we've done some Reef trades because I have. I do love their website. Right? Do love their website. Look at these sell levels. Look at these sell levels. People sell their Reef up here. People sell their Reef up there. People sell their Reef up there. They've been doing it since February. Okay, but they've been doing it even here, guys. They sell Reef during this level. People sell their Reef during this level. Why aren't you selling your Reef during this level? Why is everyone doing this, but you're not, right? Or else you guys are going to be stuck in this little bouncing level. So probably another 29% on Reef, and then people are going to sell their Reef. If it does break out of there, not going to break out much. People are going to sell there, man. When you're in that much of accumulation zone and that much of a pump and dump, there's probably something with their devs or something. But Reef is powered by Polkadot, and they do have some good tokenomics, kind of sometimes. I need to look into their tokenomics. I'm sorry, don't know. Great day here in San Diego. Yeah. I am ecstatic about Matic. I like that, guys. All right, so everyone sell everything by BPro. No, Saywell, don't. If we pump it up too much, guys, you know what's gonna happen? You're gonna get sold on. You guys got a dollar cost average into these small alts, by the way. Don't put a large bag into it. Okay, you want to know what's going to happen? BitBoy's going to be like, no, I don't want to do your sponsorship. I want the tokens. I want allocations, guys. It's already pumped up too much. I wasn't able to buy in early and dump on my fans. No, you guys can't pump it up too much, okay? Or else BitBoy's not going to accept, okay? We need him to shill it to his fans, all right? So we can't pump it up too much, please. Just small bags, okay? Small bags, guys. And I will get into it earlier. Seriously, guys. I don't know enough as much as the person that I'm going to be talking to. I might make a video, might do a stream on it today. But I don't know much about BPro other than this other person, okay? So don't put large allocations into it until you guys see this video. Or as Banter Bag says, let me front run. Don't front run me. Don't front run me, guys. No front run. Or else no Banter Bag. You guys get no Banter Bag because I can't afford Banter Bag if you guys front run, okay? That's how it works, guys. You guys got that, but you guys can front run my IDOs. When the IDOs come out, I will sell them. I will sell the banter bags that you guys donate the money to, and I will send them to a few of you guys. A few of them are my family members, and then we're good to go. All right, there we go. So beautiful day in London, beautiful day everywhere. Okay, beautiful day everywhere. We'll go over H bar. I see you pleasing, guys. Keep them coming. We'll go over a few more. All right. So I see a lot of ICPs, guys. I've talked about ICP, all right? It's going to take some time. It's going to take some time for that to really be big. I don't know. I made a video on its technology. It does have amazing technology, guys, but it's just a little bit too advanced. And you guys got to understand the amount of nodes they have. Guys, they're overpowered. They're overpowered, but it's just people don't understand them. Sometimes I'm a little bit too futuristic, and I have to be like, stop thinking too futuristic. It's going to take some time for people to evolve in crypto investing. It's all about hype. It's all about BitBoy, Shillboy. It's all about following the crypto Twitter shills that these people do daily. And guys, that's kind of where we're at right now. It's all about the shill life. It's all about who's going to be talking about this first. People are investing on the fundamentals. Only like 2% of crypto investors are investing off of fundamentals. Or traders are, I guess you could say. And those take a while to accumulate. Yes, you buy fundamentals in the bear market. We're in a bull market right now. We're in this hype. We're in this, everything's flying. Everything's going crazy. We have Matic going up like 10x in like a freaking month. We have everything pumping. It's just this crazy time. This is the bull market. It's been happening the past 4 months. It's just, oh, SafeMoon, oh, Dogecoin, oh, like all these things are happening all at once. Fundamentals are out the window. I'm sorry. They're out the window. It's okay, though. It's okay. They will come back in the bear market. I will teach you guys a lot about fundamentals on this stream. Nonetheless, at some point, we will get into fundamentals, but you guys need to learn charting first. We need to get you guys good with technical analysis because right now, fundamentals don't matter. So once you guys get good with charting, we'll get you good with technical analysis or with fundamentals. All right, so what do we see with H-bar? Boom, what is this down? 40, 30, 35%. It can't break out of this channel, right? We saw this little breakout here, but it went right down. But that's good to see that it's testing and it's breaking out. So we have to see this little breakdown. We have to see this little breakdown, push up a little bit more. It did break out. We did see this run up with H-bar, right? So look how much this run up was right here. 58%. What is this, a 58% run up? 30, 36, 30, 46%. So we could have around a 30% run up. That's what I see happening. All these little push-ups right here, they're getting sold off. There's some whales in H-bar. I'm telling you guys that right now. Great company, right? Great fundamentals, but there's some whales, guys. Look at this. Every time it pushes up 40%, there's big wallets. I can guarantee you that. Boom, pushing it down. Boom, pushing it down. This is what you guys have to look for. Like when you guys look at a graph and something pumps up like that and it's hitting like the same level, this is a whale selling, okay? All right, so you want me to get into a Trias? Okay. When could it be bullish again? Okay, so like I said, when do these small coins pump? Okay, you guys gotta send the rocket ship emojis. This is how they pump. You guys gotta pay these YouTubers to make videos. Okay, I get. You guys want to know how many emails I get every single day about, hey man, pay me to promote your coin. All these coins, they want publicity, okay? The devs want to be able to sell on you guys in the bull market, okay? The devs sometimes own a lot of coins, and they're like, hey, please do a promotion video. We'll pay you like whatever, 20 grand, 30 grand to do a promotion video, guys. We don't do that on this channel. I don't want their promotions, okay? I don't want it. Not promoted by BPro, by the way. Not promoted by BPro. I'm just. Yeah. Well, they're emailing the editor, okay? She has to look through them. She has to tell me. Stop emailing them, right? But what they are, they're absolute turd coins, but it's just people wanting to get rich. They want you guys to get promoted. You know, BitBoy does these promotions all the time. You guys see all these people doing these promotions. You see Crypto Banter, the king of promotions, the king of the pump and dump, right? It's happening. If you buy in early, sometimes, yeah, you get pumped up. But with these coins like Trias, guys, I found Trias, had good fundamentals, but then we had the banter the bag. We had the banter the bag, pump it up, right? And we do have a strong community with Trias, okay? We need to see the Twitter hype. We need to see the Reddit hype. We need to see the YouTube hype for Trias for it to really break out. They do have a halving effect, okay, where they're going to cut half of their, or not halving effect, they're going to have half their circulating supply cut in half. So if it holds steady, if it gets some more momentum, I do see Trias being bullish, but guys, it's going to be cut in half the price at some point. But just be careful. Just be careful, okay? You guys got to send more rocket ship emojis to get it to go up. You guys got to hype it up. You guys would be like, Trias is going to $3, or I mean to 300. It's going to $500. And when you guys see that narrative in play, when you guys see their Telegram community popping off, when you see them popping off on Twitter, when you see Crypto Banter talking about Trias, what happens? It moons. And then it sells off because Crypto Banter's like, I'm not going to talk about it anymore. I'm just going to sell off. And I'm going to tell you guys, that's how it works. That's how it works. Small caps, all about hype. No fundamentals most of the time. Now you guys are prepared. Check out Muskets. It's a meme coin. No. All right, it's a meme coin with a serious use case. Dante, it's not, man, it's not. Don't say it's a meme coin with serious use case. All right, I'd rather invest in Doge than whatever that is. I do like me some Doge. Doge has some serious use case. It has an IDO platform. IDO platforms, that's the biggest scam I've ever heard in my life, Dante. You must be working for them. You're working for them, man. You guys have to understand these IDO platforms. It's a meme coin that's an IDO platform. So it's like, oh, it's a meme coin, but you guys know it releases IDOs, which are one of the most scammy things in crypto right now. People scam these IDOs. It's all private sales, private allocations. They're given to anyone who promotes an IDO. If you promote this IDO, guys, I've had multiple IDOs saying, hey, we'll give you $5,000 if you promote us. And this is what they do. This is why you see Crypto Banter promoting these IDOs. He puts like 1/5 of that, 1/5 of that allocation, or maybe not even any allocations into the IDO allocation funds, and then it gets pumped up like 100x by these other people who buy into the IDOs and think they're getting allocations when in reality a lot of it was given to these people who are promoting it. It's just a whole slugfest, guys. Watch out. I'm not falling for you, Dante. Get out of here. All right, so can you go over Teller? All right, let's go over Teller, Telcoin. Telcoin. Teller. All right, we'll go over Teller. I'll go over some more stuff too. Boom. Do Do you reckon a 10% stop loss below recent high, recent high and recent low, Derek? I recommend you move it up too. Why wouldn't you move it up? Who cares if your trade gets liquidated? Your goal isn't to keep your trade as long as you can alive, Derek. Your goal is to make as less loss and as much gains as fast as you can. You're not wanting to stay in these trades for a while, especially when the market's this volatile, right? You just want to get your money, you want to secure your profits, and you want to stay consistent. That's the main thing, Derek. Derek, you want to stay consistent, okay? You really want to stay consistent, man. Move them up accordingly. I mean, I would recommend moving them up. Never move them down. Never move them down, okay? You could always put in another trade, but sometimes you will get screwed over for not moving them down, but most times you won't, okay? So what do we see with Teller? We see a large dippy, right? A large dip right here, 47%. What did we see? What did we see during the May right here? Where's April 22nd? Okay, what was the dip looking like in April 22nd? 40%. Look how much this has grown though, guys. From this all-time high, it's only down around 13%. Still looks promising. Still looks promising, right? So really make sure for this to get a little bit better. Get a little bit better, okay? 44%. 40%. All right. Maybe 30-40%. I'm not too familiar with Teller. I'm not too familiar with Teller, to be completely honest. I'm more I can feel it. The analytics are kind of showing a little bit of a drop, but maybe another run up can happen. It is kind of low. It did pretty good during this 8th, 9th, and 7th. Now we're seeing a little dip. Maybe 20-30%. I wouldn't aim for more, maybe 50%. I don't know them enough to really understand that because their volatility is low. They need some more volatility, but it can happen, a big run up. What happened to OMG? Did it go down due to Matic rise? OMG predictions, FTM. Well, let's go into OMG. Some things take longer to pump up, man. Like, you guys gotta understand, these these trades don't happen in one day, man. These trades don't happen in one day. These things pump differently, right? These trades don't happen in one day, and I do have a little buy order at both of these levels. It's not like we're buying OMG up here or anything, but we do have a lower buy orders. Okay, you guys gotta understand that these trades. Sometimes you'll be in the trade for 7 days. It's nice to get those one-day trades, okay? But if you're new to crypto, you have to understand these one-day trades are amazing. That's why you guys do so many trades, because sometimes it happens during this bull when you guys see things pump up to unproportional levels. And with most of these trades, will probably be like a week long or 2 weeks long. We're not day trading here, okay? I don't day trade. I do day trade, but I do like to swing trade as well. Ensure safety. Don't get caught up in the mess of you guys stopping a trade that has potential or something like that, unless it hits your stop loss. But really make sure that these trades aren't one day. Okay, yeah, we have some that are one day. That's why we're celebrating right now. That's why we're having a good time. But really make sure, be patient. Okay, have strategy. The volume is a little bit down. Just wait for the volume to run up like it did earlier in May. I do see that happening again, guys. Look at this volume that ran up. It's probably going to be happening again. It happened after this dip, right? A few days after this dip, we got a little bullishness. But like, look at this, guys. This 2-day period, it's kind of doing the same thing, right? Not too much volatility. Just needs a little bit more, and then it can go up. But just be patient. Sometimes things don't work out that I talk about. I'm going to admit it, guys. Sometimes these trades don't work out, but we do have a lot more trades that are profitable. I forget the other one you said. FTM. Yeah, FTM, same thing, man. Same thing. But FTM is... let's go in the FTM graph, and I'll got some more questions. I know you guys want to look at FTM. Up 9%. Not doing too bad from where it is right now. Up 9% today. I don't know why you're complaining. We could see a little breakout with that. Any idea if Dexable IO is safe? Looking for stop loss tools that aggregates across DEX. I cannot tell you that, Roger. If you're part of the Telegram or Discord, just I'm not sure. I can't tell you. Look on Reddit, Roger. Go to Reddit. Reddit's a safe place to look up Dexable.io on Reddit. I was skeptical too at first, but I did good research. This is the goal, to have a platform like PancakeSwap for meme coins instead of going to multiple platforms. It's that one. It's the one where, it's the meme coin. Guys, every single ecosystem, Cosmos, okay? Cosmos, AVAX, every ecosystem, okay? Every ecosystem is going to be making their own meme coins. Okay, I think these meme coins are going to take collectively over. Okay, there's not these other small meme coins aren't going to be that hot as these other ecosystems. We'll have to see, but these IDO meme coin places could be a big thing, Dante. But I know people make a lot of money off of meme coins, but that IDO meme coin could sound a lot scammy. Think about the people who are going to be involved with the IDO meme coins, Dante. You gotta think about this, okay? So you're making a meme coin. The goal when anyone, all right, you're sitting there, okay? Picture you're a meme coin developer. Like you're sitting there, like, how can I make a lot of money off of unsuspectable people? How can I make the best Ponzi scheme that's completely legal? That's what these meme coins are. It's just whoever buys in first, whoever hypes it up the most, shills it the most. The people who buy in first are going to make the most money. The people who buy in last are going to lose money, right? This is what the developers are thinking, making this coin. This is what these people who are buying into these meme coins are thinking. They might not know it, but that's what's happening, right? So I wouldn't think that the IDO platform would be respectable, Dante, when this is how these people think. I like these companies that they don't care about that stuff. They're not meme coins, you know. They're just fundamentally I like them, but we do like making gains. So I'm not going to talk about meme coins, guys, just because we're just going to stick to the top 100, maybe a few small caps once in a while, especially before BitBoy talks about them or whatever. But I do participate in meme coins. I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. But be careful, okay? Be careful. You guys got to be careful with meme coins. But don't. All right, just forget I said that. I mean, guys, I'm emotionless. I look for gains, okay? I look for gains. I wouldn't probably be using that website. I'll look into them when they do come out. It does sound like a good opportunity for gains, but we still don't know. That's an interesting idea. I've heard of this IDO meme coin thing. I've heard someone talk about it. Should I trade it out of DOT for all the time being traded in something? Wait. Should I trade out of DOT? I mean, just have allocations so that you can trade in multiple things. It's not bad to trade out of dots into something else, but really make sure that that's what you. I mean, you want to have multiple trades going. You don't know exactly when something's gonna pump. That's why you have multiple trades, right? You mentioned to take Matic profits at 260. How can you Can you show how determined that the retracement will be? No, I can't. I can't cast away. I can't talk about how determined. Like, you guys gotta understand. I'm making these numbers up a little bit, right? I'm making these numbers up a little bit. Guys, look at this. Whoa, I was right, but look at kind of a complete guess, guys. Look at 263, 266, retracement here. But all I can tell you is it retraced here at 271. Probably going to see a little bit of selling power. Look how nice this wick is. Okay, we saw like it's a 10% retracement from up here. Okay, it's around 8% retracement, 9. I kind of got that ruler along, but that's a lot of selling power. People are 8 to 9% of Matic is being sold at that level, right? It needs to break out 8 to 9% more is going to need to be bought right there. So that's a good level to really sell at, but it's very hard to find these sell points. I'll tell you guys these sell points, but it's mainly just a guess. Okay, it's mainly just a guess, somewhat. Yeah, it's not like, oh, I'm calculated out. Like you guys can't calculate that. All I can tell you is take your profits. There's going to be dips. There's going to be dips in crypto. There's going to be people who do not make money in crypto, but those who take profits and those who don't get mad when they sold too early and they're just happy that they were consistent, those are the people who are going to be successful through the bull market and the bear market. And I need to teach you guys that mindset. A lot of these new people in crypto, they want to make these 20, 30x gains. They want to hold diamond hands. But the best thing you guys can do, I promise you, is take profits. Okay. No, I'm not going to show them that. No. Their email spam. There's no reason to show email spam. All right, so I've kind of been doing a long stream here. All right, a little long stream here. This is going to be the end of the stream. All right, I will be talking to you guys in a different stream later. You know, we'll probably be doing another one tonight. But that's going to be the end of the stream. Please like and subscribe if you guys are new. Like. Okay, but kidding, guys. It's shilling my channel a little bit. But thank you guys. Have a great day. Hopefully you guys are in gains. I will stream tonight. Updating you guys, do another stream on something else, but